The problem with diets, and let's face it, we've all tried a few, is that they don't work. You start out on Monday determined that this time it's gonna work. But on Wednesday, you're already tired, crabby, and craving French fries. By the weekend, there you are, chatting on Facebook, consoling yourself over a bowl of ice cream, so that next Monday you have even more weight to lose. Ah, no wonder we'd all rather have a cupcake. Same old cycle, isn't it? And it's nearly impossible to break. Stop blaming yourself. It's time for a whole new approach to dieting. Say hello to an amazing innovation, V3, your happy victory over the dieting challenges of cravings, energy, and mood. Try it for free, and within 30 minutes, you'll feel the oh and realize, yeah, I can do this. That's V3's powerful thermogenic action kicking in. It dials up your energy and mood while dialing down your cravings and appetite. With your metabolism turned up, the fat melts right off. Suddenly, you feel less like munching on chips and more like living your life. With more energy to exercise, you're making better food choices, feeling vibrant, more attractive, happier, sexier. You're turned on to the world, and the world is turned on to you. Taken with plenty of refreshing filtered water, V3 is the life-changing boost you've been waiting for. Best of all, you can try it for free, and you're on your way to a happier, healthier life. Right here, right now. Be free with V3.